Could you please start the role play now? Thank you.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Vanati George. I am one of the registered nurses working in this hospital. Could you please tell me your name for my confirmation?
You can call me Ledwin.
Thank you, Miss Ledwin. I have gone through your case notes that you are suffering from lung cancer. It's difficult to go through this situation, but it is good to ventilate your feelings with others. Can you express your feelings and concerns to me?
I don't have anything to say, sister.
Yes, Miss Ledwin, I can understand it is very difficult situation to cope. But our hospital policy is giving for all the patients that the patients, those who are not improving, they are deteriorating their conditions. So they are providing to see their loved ones, to spend time with families. So you can tell your wish or your ideas. If you tell your concerns, I will arrange according to that. So please, can you tell about your concerns?
I don't know why I'm continuing with this treatment, because my condition is life-threatening and there are no chances of improving. So my wish is
I can understand your feeling, Miss Ledwin, because even if I am in your situation, I too will react in the same way. But here, well-qualified doctors and trained nurses are here to help you and to improve your health condition. So don't lose your hope. Okay, Miss Ledwin? So
I understand what you are saying, sister, but it has been long with this condition and I'm going down. So my wish is to stop all types of treatment and have comfort measures only.
Okay,
in the
Miss
presence
Ledwin.
of my family members. Yeah, until I have my last breath.
Okay, Miss Ledwin, it's really it's difficult to understand in your situation. But if we are stopping the treatment like chemotherapy or radiation therapy, again your condition will be worsened. Is that right?
Yeah, so it's now. Yeah, I understand, sister, that you're so keen to help me, but the issue is that I'm not going back to chemotherapy nor radiotherapy. What I just need is adequate rest and all other comfort measures until I die.
Okay, Miss Ledwin. I can understand, Miss Ledwin. So it's your right that what treatment you need, it is your right that you can refuse the treatments as well.
Yes.
So you are requested for, you don't want any chemotherapy and radiation therapy. So you want only for the management. So we will talk with the doctor. So we can try to give the pain management, and the rest of the time we will give some emotional support, like you can see your family members as well as your friends, so you can spend good time with them. Is that okay for you, Miss Ledwin?
Yes. I just want quality time with my family before I die.
Okay, Miss Ledwin. Is there anything else I need to clarify for you? Do you have any other concerns?
No, sister.
Thank you, Miss Ledwin. So I will try to arrange your family members to come and visit you. Then finally, I will inform the doctor about you are requested for only pain management. You are not interested for other chemo or radiation therapies. Thank you for listening to me and ventilate all your feelings, Miss Ledwin. Thank you. Okay. If you have any other queries or concerns, you can call me. I will be around here.
Okay, thank you very much, sister.
Thank you, Miss Ledwin.
Okay.
All right, thank you for both of you. And I would like to give you the feedback now. All right, the first thing is, I have told you just before the role play conversation that you should not talk longer sentences, but you haven't followed that. Okay. You need to give pauses after one sentence, but you haven't given. Okay. You have been continuously talking between two sentences as well. See, there is a full stop, isn't it? Full stop means there must be a small pause of at least 1 to 2 seconds, but you haven't done that. It's not good. Okay, so you should have given some small pauses between sentences, but you haven't given. That's not good, Vanati. That's not good. Okay, please avoid using longer sentences, really longer sentences. Okay, for example, the sentences with over 25 words or 30 words. Okay, that's very bad. That's really bad. The patients cannot understand. You guys need to understand one thing, that the patient is a non-medical professional. Okay, so when you have to provide the information, you need to use shorter sentences but in different sentence structures. Do you understand? You can't just keep on using the longer sentences. It's really, really bad. And the other issue is, when you speak longer sentences, you will usually commit more grammatical mistakes. Right? You need to give opportunity for the patient to talk, but you didn't do that. You need to give opportunity for the patient to talk, but you have been talking so many sentences, for every question. Okay, and then false starts need to be avoided as well. For example, you said it is, and so on. So the same thing where produced it twice, it's not good. And if I am in your position, if I were in your position, okay, it's not if I am, but it is if I were. All right, longer sentences again need to be avoided. And then you said again this condition, your condition. You said again this, your condition, right? This is wrong. You should use either this or your. Okay, you can say again your conditions. Okay, your condition is not gonna improve or something, whatever you wanted to say. You can tell that. For one of the questions, you said, okay, Miss Ledwin. Instead of asking the question to her, is that okay, Miss Ledwin? You should have asked a question, but you have answered it. You said, okay, Miss Ledwin. You should have said, is that okay, Miss Ledwin? Okay. And then you are requested for, okay, you started this, and you started saying, like, you don't need radiation therapy. And so on, which is not good, isn't it? So this sentence is incorrect from grammatical perspective. So that's not good. All right, the next one is, you have asked 2 questions twice. Okay, I mean, like, you have asked 2 questions at once together without giving pauses in between. You said, how are you feeling, or something, you said, and then you said, do you have any other concerns? Do you have any other concerns? It's not good. So try not to ask 2 questions at once. Try not to ask 2 questions at once. Get the answer for the first question before you ask the next question. Okay, get the answer for the first question before you ask the next one. So it's really important that you do this, please. Okay, what else you have said? About your requested for when. Okay, I'll speak with the doctor about your. Okay, he said, I will speak with the doctor about you are requested for and ventilate your consents. Okay. All right. I will speak with the doctor regarding your request. That's it. Simple. Short. Keep it short. Why are you talking so long? I'll speak with the doctor regarding your request, regarding your wish. Okay. Something like that. Put a full stop. Give a pause. Go to the next sentence. Okay. Also, I thank you for. Also, thank you for sharing with me your worries or concerns. You can use that. That's fine. Good. But give a pause in between. You can't just simply say, I will speak with the doctor regarding your request. Also, thank you for sharing with your queries or concerns. Do you know what I mean? That's wrong. That's really, really bad. You can't speak like this. You should not. You should speak like the way I'm going to talk right now. Okay. You should say, of course, I will speak with the doctor regarding your request. Also, thank you for sharing with me your worries. This is how you need to speak. You can't just continuously speak. You're not going to enchant slogans, is in a ritual event, isn't it? It's not the case, right? So you need to be a bit polite, bit calm, slow down your speech, and then you should be able to get the message across easily. All right. Okay, so grammar could have been much better. All right. So these mistakes, whatever the mistakes I have asked you, should be avoided. Okay. False starts are not good. Okay, but you haven't committed many major mistakes. But the problem is you have been talking at a very fast pace and using a lot of longer sentences. Okay, you need to firstly understand that the patient you're going to talk about, talk to you, the patient you're going to talk to is a non-medical professional. Okay, that's really, really important. Okay, use more connecting phrases to link your sentences. It's really important that you do this, please. Okay, use more connecting phrases to link your sentences. Okay, use the range of sentence structures, however, of small to medium size. Okay, not the longer ones. Don't just start talking the longer sentences. They're not good. They're not going to help you much. You need to get the message across, isn't it? You should improve the ways to get the message across. All right. But what else? Connectivity, pronunciation. You have shown sympathy. You have shown sympathy towards the patient. I'm happy with that. It's okay. That shouldn't be an issue. All right. You were able to have good rapport with the patient as well. Okay. So that's fine. All right. Expected score. Let me see the number of mistakes and the severity. So reducing the speech rate is really important. Reducing the length of the sentences is also important. You need to give the patient an opportunity to share their concerns with. Try not to commit false starts. Okay, it's not that bad, but I'm not fully convinced to give you a 350, a B grade. Okay, according to me, this sounds like a 330 out of 500 grade role play conversation. Okay, Vanati, calm down, please. Slow down your speech rate, okay, and reduce the length of the sentences. Reduce the length of the sentences. Try not to speak using 20 words in one sentence. It is really bad. Even I can't follow you, unfortunately. Okay, so that could have been much better. Okay, apart from that, if you could have done that, okay, if you could have reduced your speech rate and then reduced your length of the sentences, then you could have got a better score. But according to me, this sounds at C+ grade only. Okay. Are you happy with this, Vanati?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't get panicked, don't get disappointed. This is the recent one, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
So you have gone only, this is the second role play, and for the first role play card I think I gave you 340, but this one is only 330. All right, try to understand your problems. I have given you the clear explanation about your mistakes in your previous role play card, and I don't know why
Yes, sir. The
you have committed similar
speech.
issues.
Now I reduce my pitch of voice. I am practicing slowly only, but the speed I will reduce, sir.
You shouldn't say slowly twice, okay? Because it is a grammatical mistake. You should say slowly once only, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.